Assigning people in Nova is super simple. You can do it from the main process view from right here or inside any work session. Let's go over this. Just click the assign icon. A pop-up modal will open. Search for the person here and select them. If they don't show up, it means they're not in your workspace yet. Just hit invite to add them in a second. The important trick here is choosing between assigning someone as a lead or as a collaborator. Assign as lead the person responsible for preparing the work session and accountable for the result and final conclusions. Only team members can be leads because they are the ones who can edit the session and add conclusions. Assign as collaborator anyone responsible for participating or getting part of the work done. Think of clients who need to answer a questionnaire, approve a proposal, or team members who need to follow a process or complete tasks. You can also use your collaborators link if you want a faster way to bring people into the work session. Copy the link, send it by email or chat, and once they join, they'll be assigned automatically. The same steps apply inside a work session. Just click here and do the same. And if you're not sure how to structure your team or your workspace, don't worry, reach out anytime. We're here to help you make this flow.